Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my June kit lineup. So I'm going to be walking through the kits that I'm planning on using in June. I like to say this at the beginning of every video, especially these ones, that it is very subject to change. I feel like I always have a plan for the month, but you know, life happens and things change and get shifted around. But this is kind of what I'm planning and thinking about. So I would love to know if you guys have thoughts on any of the things that I'm considering, or if you're using any of the same kits or whatever kits you're using. I'd love to talk about it in the comments down below. So feel free to like this video if you like these kit lineups, and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. So let's get into it. So the first week I'm going to do is the week of May 31st through the 6th of June. So technically we start in May, but because Tuesday is the 1st, I feel like it could get wrapped into June. So I was planning on using this Me Time kit, and you might be thinking to yourself, Gabrielle, didn't we see this kit last month for your last kit lineup? And you would be right. So I was planning on using this in May, but then things got shifted around. And I think this is the kit I was planning on using for the week that I ended up going down to San Diego, but then I saw the SPC new like June mystery kit, and I won't spoil it, but I just thought it would be a good kit for that week if you haven't seen it yet. If you have, you know what I'm talking about. I just felt like it was a good vibe for that, so I ended up shifting this one down for that. But I also thought this would be good because it's kind of like spa themed, and actually on the 6th of June, I believe, I think it's the 6th, the Sunday, I had booked a massage, so I thought the spa theme would go well because that's definitely going to be a highlight of that week for me. So I think I already showed you guys what I was thinking about with this, but I have this, and it's a mini kit, and then I have a couple of, I'll show you the add-ons that I was thinking about. So I have this bottom washi. I like to store all of the things I'm thinking about using with it, and then if I don't, I just store them in like my storage binder. But I just like to have all my options ready, so whenever I'm ready to film, it's all ready to go. So I have this hollow piece. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use hollow or silver with this kit. This is in silver, and then a hollow foil bundle as well. This is from the Black Friday like foil bundle extravaganza that I took part in. And then also thought about these glitter headers and this bottom washi, so I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet, that one or the pink one. So I just wanted to keep it all together so I would have everything when I'm ready to go ahead and film that. So then next week, so I just have a little, this is how I store like kind of my placeholder kits, or like just kind of reminders in my kit lineup binder. So I'll just take like a sticker sheet where I've used like the majority of the stickers you can see here, and I'll write in my own handwriting just like if there's a special like event happening that week, or if I need a reminder to buy a kit. So this is for the week of the 7th through the 13th. This is my father's birthday week, so I wrote dad's birthday kit to be determined. I actually have determined it. I actually just ordered it though, because I was looking through my kit binder and I was like, I forgot to order this. So I ordered it yesterday, so it should be here in time for whenever I get around to doing my memory keeping. So I'll insert a photo of it here, but I just got this kind of Father's Day art from Glam Planner. I thought this would be a good kit for him. My dad really does like to golf, and so I liked that that was included. And he usually has his birthday right around Father's Day, so sometimes it's like in the same week, so he gets like all of his days back to back. And so I wanted to include that because I don't think I'm going to do a Father's Day week, if that makes sense. I'm going to use a Father's Day birthday kit for his birthday week, and then because the next week is Juneteenth, so I'm going to do a different sort of kit for that as well. But I wanted to make sure he got his week, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense. So I should have a picture floating on the screen of the kit that I'm thinking about, but I just think it'll be a good one for him. I almost repurchased Who's Your Caddy from Glam Planner. I really liked that, and I used it last year. I think it turned out really nice. Maybe I'll insert, I don't think I have it though. Maybe I'll see if I have a picture on my Instagram of that. I thought it turned out really, really nice. So I didn't want to do it again, but it's like that one was like perfect for him because it was like all golf themed, and my dad like loves to golf. So this one was like good as well. So there's that, and I ordered an extra box because I wanted to have a Father's Day box for the next week on Father's Day, even though I wasn't doing a Father's Day week spread. I hope that all made sense. So that's the week of the 7th through the 13th. Moving on to the 14th through the 20th. So this is, the 14th is Flag Day, the 19th is Juneteenth, and then the 20th is Father's Day. So I'm doing a Juneteenth style spread, and I'm really excited about this. So I got this 4th kit a while ago. It must have been like maybe even last summer, like after the 4th of July had already passed, and I just thought it would be really cool to use as like a Juneteenth kit and to celebrate that. I really like this girl here as well, and I just think it would be fun because I'm probably not going to do a 4th of July kit this year. I'm not super big into 4th of July themed kits just generally, and this year I wanted to do like a birthday extravaganza. Stay tuned for that because I'm really excited about that for July. And so obviously the 4th is at the beginning of the month, and I think I want to start off with a birthday kit instead of doing a 4th of July kit. So that's what I'm thinking of. But I just thought this would be cute to use as well. So this is the 4th from Scroll Prints Co. There is some really cute art from Pink Diamond Planner Co. that's like actually themed for Juneteenth, which I didn't know when I picked this out, but I already picked this out and I really like it, so I'm going to use that. But if you're looking for a Juneteenth specific kit, then you can definitely check her out, and I do have a code if you'd like to use it. So there's that, and I'm going to use it with the sparkly star format. I think that'll look really great with it, and just like a celebration and summer. I'm really excited. And I also have the this bottom washi from Glam Planner that I got in like a random pull, which I thought would look really nice with it. And these kind of blue and white headers I thought would look good with it, because I think this is an older format where you don't get the glitter headers. So I like to pair those in advance. And then also, okay, the other thing, oh, I have this like silver script sampler. I should put this with my foil bundle. But also, I forgot to mention this, the 14th is also the day where my episode of the YouTube series I'm in will go live. So I'm going to use this with it as well. And I feel like because it is kind of red and white, it will go with the color scheme, which I'm really excited. So I'll put that on probably Monday and Tuesday and just like put in the name of the YouTube series. I think that would be cute. So it premieres at 5 p.m. on the 14th, and I linked in my previous video if you wanted to see like the other episodes, like, and get caught up, because I'm in the last episode of the series. There's 6 episodes and the first 3 are up now. There might be a 4th one up by the time this video goes live, but I'm not sure. But I'll link it down below if you're interested in seeing it. It's kind of like dystopian, which is really cool. So very excited about that. I think this will be very cute together. So that is the week of the 14th through the 20th. All right, so the next week that we have is the week of the 21st through the 27th. Yes, and so I don't know if I have any super important things happening this day. Let me move all this over so that I get like a cleaner frame, so you guys can see. So this is the April 2021 mystery kit. I'm sure you guys have already seen it. If not, don't look. Okay. And so I was thinking, and let me know what you guys think, but I was thinking of pairing it. I wanted to pair it with a fun foil instead of the hollow. I was thinking maybe this blue, and in my mind, it was a really good idea. Like when I saw it on the screen, I like put this with it and I thought it would be really cute. But now in person, I don't know if I really like this. Let me know what you guys think. But I just thought a fun foil would kind of brighten it up. Obviously, it's not the same color blue at all as this blue or even the blue extra color. So I'm really rethinking this. I'm trying to find the extra color so that we can look at it next to each other. Oh, this one. literally right there. I thought maybe it'd be the same color as this. That's not even true either. I don't know, guys. I'm kind of unsure. I thought this would look good. Maybe I just need to use hollow and call it a day. I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep it for now. We'll see. I also am thinking, like, even if I do use this, I need to use like a core color, and I'd probably just use silver maybe. I don't know, I feel like it could be fun, but I feel like if I used gold with this, that might be a little bit too much. Or maybe I need to use gold as like the whole foil color and just like omit the blue and just use gold. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, let me know down below if you guys think I should go for the blue or I should just use the hollow because that's what it came with, or gold. I'm really not sure. I guess if I had like light gold, that would be perfect, and I can like look through and see what's like more on the light side versus the hot gold side. But I'm really, I don't know, I'm not sure about this the way I was. It would be really pretty if there was like a light purple, like the color of her dress, or like the color of the flowers. I feel like that would be stunning. I'll have to see. Maybe Scroll Print Co has one. Well, let me know what you guys think, because I'm not sold on this anymore. I was sold before I put them together, and now taking it out for you guys, I'm like, maybe not. So anyways, that is that week. That's still to be determined, as are most of the kits, but this one especially, I feel like now. And then I will show you guys what I'm using for the next week. So the next week is the last week of June / the first week of July. So it's the week of the 28th through the 4th, actually, which is funny. The 4th of July is on a Sunday. And so I had originally pushed the kit that I was planning on using the first week of June into this week, because I was like, oh, I'll just move it because I wasn't planning on doing a 4th of July kit anyways. So I was gonna use this one because it's kind of cozy, but I'm kind of like, maybe not. I do really want to do my whole birthday month situation, and so I should really just do it. I should just go for gold, I feel like, and use a birthday kit. So if I do that, let me show you what I will use. So I have all the extras kind of here, which I guess I'll show you the extras I'm thinking about last, and I'll show you the kit first. So instead of this, which I think I showed you guys the extras I was thinking about using with this, because I think I was supposed to use this in May as well, and I just didn't end up doing it. So I'll show you guys this too. So I have this birthday kit called Birthday Babe, I believe, yeah, from Scroll Print Co, and I got it in like a random pull again, and I just saved it in like my birthday kits file folder or like section, and I just never got around to using it. And I really do like it though. Like, I like the gold and the sparkles, and so I think it might be the first kit of my birthday bonanza. I have a kit already for my birthday week and like pretty much all of the other weeks of July. Yeah, actually, this is the only week where I hadn't figured out what exactly I wanted to do, but I think I want to use this kit. It's a mini kit as well, and it's an older format, so I have a lot of extras that I was thinking about bringing in. So I'll show you. So it's gold, but like it's a warmer, like bronzier gold. It's not, it's like maybe rose gold, but not Scroll Print rose gold, because I feel like Scroll Print rose gold is kind of pink, whereas some rose gold's kind of coppery, and I feel like this is more like coppery and pink. So I'll show you. I was thinking about using, I got this in like a D-stash, but these not upside down. These headers I thought would look really nice with the kit, and so it's got that kind of like coppery rose gold as well. I thought that would look nice. Then, because I'm not in love with the bottom washi, I have some ideas about what kind of bottom washi I wanted to use to break it up, or even just take it out altogether. I have this like kind of pink one from Glam Planner, maybe even just this like gold kind of chunky sparkles might look nice. Then I also thought maybe I could bring out the green and these flowers with like an overlay. I thought that might look pretty. Just kind of balance it out so it's not so like pink throw up, you know what I mean? Like, I like it, but I feel like it would be very easy for it to just get too much. but I also have some pink headers. So these ones, and then I also have these two, and I think these two really go well with the kit. I'm not so sure about that one, but I feel like also if I put some header overlays on it, it might not matter as much. Then here's some more of the foil I was thinking about. So I have these foiled headers from Chasing Shells, and they're kind of that coppery rose gold, so I think that might look really nice with the kit. And then I have some like sparkly gold stuff, which I think still kind of might work. I just feel like flat, like hot gold won't work. So this here, it's like a sparkly gold. I don't know why I feel like it kind of goes. Maybe it ties in that like more champagne-y color. That's throughout the kit as well. And then just some little more bits and bobs, icons, and an overlay that I think might look nice. So that is pretty much everything. That is what I'm thinking about will be my kit lineup for the week, for the month of June. I think I'm going to just file this kit away because I don't think I'm going to use it in July. I also don't think I'm going to use it in August. Honestly, I need to just put it with September because I feel like September is where I put a lot of my anytime kits. So I might just stick this in there and call it a day. It'll be nice too because it'll be more like transitional, like out of super summer kits and like, you know, cleaning up after going to the beach a lot. I don't know why I said that. I don't think I'm actually going to go to the beach all the time, but it's the vibe I'm going for. And then this one. So yeah, definitely let me know if you have any thoughts about what I should do with this kit, what foils you've used that you think look really nice with them. I would be really interested to see what kits you guys are using for this upcoming month. If you have plans, if you are using any of the same kits as I am, or if you have like strong opinions on what I should use, definitely let me know and I'd love to hear about it. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, friends.